Let's talk about America's Most Wanted 4x4. If you like Jeeps and horsepower, this is the place for you. They've been doing engine swaps for years, but now they just opened a massive facility in Burton, Michigan. And at the end of the month, they're actually opening up to the public. We're talking full tours so you can check out the vehicles in the building and you can really see how much they've expanded over the years. Here's the thing, AMW isn't your average Jeep shop. They don't just sell you bumpers and slap on lift kits. They build turnkey Jeeps. That means when you pick up your Wrangler or Gladiator from them, it's ready to go. Engine, transmission, suspension, axles, wheels, tires, all done. And it feels factory with way more power than Jeep gave us. And the engine choices, let's talk about those. Let's start with the 392 Hemi that has over 500 horsepower. There's even a 392 Stroker, which is a 606 with even more power. Or you can even go full Hellcat with a supercharger with over 700 horsepower. Or you can even go demon mode with over 800 or even 1,000 horsepower.
How do I choose?
Well, you choose by looking at your bank account. Well, obviously you just can't drop a Hellcat into a Wrangler or Gladiator and call it a day. That's why AMW builds out the whole package. We're talking Dana 60 axles, custom suspension, upgraded drive shafts, all the stuff that keeps the Jeep together when you smash that pedal. Plus they set you up on proper wheels and tires, whether it's a daily driver or a trail rig on 40s. And if you're a Gladiator fan, you're gonna love this. If you think the bed on the Gladiator is too long, now they do a bobbed bed. So basically, they shorten the truck bed. It gives you way better departure angles and makes the truck more nimble off-road. And honestly, it just looks badass. So here's why AMW has the reputation they do. The builds, they feel like OEM. They look clean, they drive right, and they actually back it all up with warranty options. AMW is just not some chop shop throwing some parts together. They're building Jeeps the way Jeeps should have came from the factory. So yeah, America's Most Wanted 4x4 is on another level. And with the new Burton facility opening up to the public this month is a perfect time for you to check it out. Let me know in the comments, if money was no option, what engine are you picking? The 392, Hellcat, the Demon? I'm gonna leave a link to America's Most Wanted 4x4 in the description so you can check them out. And remember to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you in the next video.